Okwesibili, mande yakushana bahandele kabano yakaza. Okwesibili, la okakaila. There is a movement that used to happen okakaila. Don't die when you are doing that. You know this thing is when the company that okakaila attack. There is an old people. Yes, who couldn't talk Gala. Who couldn't talk Gala when they are not in his life. Kuli or Yonigan. Sometimes you feel like there's something moving. You feel like there's something moving. It's you. Please come forward and I will pray for you. Shanamaya Kulebrande Seya Namashe Manda Shadaba. That young person was about, you know, to try tiredness. You always feel like tired. Not only that, I'm going to cut out and try to mind, but you always feel tired. No, don't stand there and go away and now God will do something. I am begin. I am going to begin. Solution I will get. The reason everyone will have to get it because the grace Yanayo is record. I can attest on this day. It's already inbox. It's already inbox from Mondo and I want to get cut step passport. I'm no why is that trying to essence for one person is for? It's something empty. Essence for one again. Into end continuously. I asked that person was around before Baba again and asked me tell Ubaba before I don't as a family. It ends at a moment whether that Baba say I have a ham. So Baba is in Mesa because the way some money long but what I said was happy. Then you tag it's all inbox message and they got and tell what's it's what we hear. Kwamela zotangaza na ubishopi no mind me. Back when he called, there was a prophet there. He spoke to him. Utunale kinga alisho ni akamalo prophet kwamtshela ukuthi ngakhuluma ngayo prophet Samuel ngakhuluma ngayo wasethi yena ekakwazi ukumthandazela. Even he's a prophet, but he grace, he deliverance, he healing yake. He kumina na kubishopo. Yabo? The mistake that we do, a prophet stand. I must be sure I may be short about the one, but I know what I'm called for. I'm a prophet, I know. When I speak, it's so for me. So I think maybe she took for granted the one issue. But then the El Coming was cut. The other prophets spoke about it. Any grace healer. And Dr. Brumagai is one of the people that they're supposed to be in this church. So God is doing such things because isn't those that is she can go everywhere. Grace, yet deliverance and healing is here. Grace, yes. Grace yake deliverance and healing yake ila. So, anga pina answer.